we are issuing notices to the two category of the people. One which are under no mapping category means neither their name or their parents or grandparents name are mapped with the previous SIR electoral roll of 2005. So around 2.22 lakh people are already found under that category. So no mapping category, which is around 9.5% of the total electoral roll, and all these people are being so getting notices. So it is around 10 point some percent is there. So all those no mapping category people are getting notices. And similarly, under the election commission through ECI net system, they have found some discrepancies, and discrepancies are following types: mismatch between elector's name and the name available of their name available in the SIR 2005 record, mismatch between the elector's parent's name and the corresponding name recorded in the SIR 2005 electoral roll, age difference between the elector and parent being less than 15 years or more than 50 years, age gap of less than 9 months between two siblings linked to the same parents, more than 6 children being linked to the same parent, and age difference of less than 40 years between an elector and grandparent. So these type of the discrepancies are also found out, and all together 4,28,550 electors are having mapping discrepancies. So they are also receiving notices, and as on the scheduled date of hearing, they have to come for the filing of the claim objection before the election officials on the ground. So process of the generation and distribution of notices is underway across the district, and hearing have commenced before the EROs and AEROs. So district election machinery to ensure timely service of notice and systematic scheduling of the hearing, so that every elector concerned is given adequate opportunity to appear and furnish the required supporting document.
Lily, Pikalan.
Kanda pitharay kami kabisa. Baling itu na hadu kami.
Kanambay kami kami.
Mano bawan kata baci? Kau lawan.
Lawan kamu.
Ila kham sitaman ta.
Bila supalan. Wan nam dan jeng tiang ni ay. Nantato penhiar nasiam suki-suki bat ngamo.
Kali jauh na kani. Ba, ka hospital te kala ajkai nang di. Kabay kalipan.
Kabay kali latip ka sarkar.
Binti aswa hang ni hadu nda depor kamu.
Wat ko selaitan.
Ba kan dikas skim kalaya rap cibun ya kilong yeng kum chongpi.
Sim kanay ka bam. Kublay shibun sista. Ngidan ka man siwi ay.
Perok kalau hika sarkar.
Kublay shibun. Iladan ako siya kakababiyang.
Jarap ikit kiba lang.
Kubli shibun.
Sister, hap siyo kat no mo?
Kasorkar kala siulat ikijing lut jing separo.
Kabli sibuan mo.
Ngiki bakar do ngampoi perkat banyo kum kani kejing yarap. Hawat kan?
Kanika Chief Minister Safe Motherhood Scheme. Kalau ay jing irap yang isibon bah kipat ba.